I genuinely wish someone told me this when I just entered the college. Because when I was in the first year, I used to think LinkedIn is something serious people use, like people who already have internship, have achievements, has like certificate skills, like everything. Basically, people who have already done something in their life. And honestly, I felt very out of place there. I used to open LinkedIn, look at my people of my age building startups, winning competitions, getting internships, and at companies I had never even heard of. And then I quietly closed the app because somewhere I felt यार मेरे पास तो पोस्ट करने के लिए कुछ है ही नहीं. Like, it's reality, and maybe you feel the same right now. Maybe you're in class 11th or 12th, maybe you just entered the college, or maybe you know LinkedIn is important but to keep postponing it. You keep thinking I'll start later, थोड़ा और अचीव कर लेता हूँ, अभी प्रोफाइल बनाने के लिए, like what is the importance of it? That delay is mistake. Not because LinkedIn magically changes your life overnight, but because people who start early slowly build an advantage that nobody notices in the beginning, an unfair advantage. So, see, while most people, like students, are just consuming content all day, some students quietly are starting like building visibility, and that visibility matters more than people think, because opportunities don't always go to the smartest person in the room, and it goes to the person who already knows something. And that's the game nobody explains properly. And the funny part is, LinkedIn is actually not that complicated. People make it look so complicated, like it's very bad. It's literally just a place where you learn from people, connect with people, and slowly build your presence online, like building a personal brand. That's it. You don't need to act professional there. You don't need to fake motivation. You don't need suddenly become a corporate robot or something. You just need to start and be raw, real, and honest. That's it. I think the biggest misunderstanding students have these days is that they think they need achievements before they start posting or make a profile there. But honestly, your journey itself is a content, or itself is a personal brand. The course you started, the mistake you learned from, the competition you participated and did not win, or you won, something interesting you read, a random realization, or even you being confused sometimes. That itself is enough, because people connect more with honesty than perfection. And that one more thing is that people don't use LinkedIn like Instagram. Please don't just scroll and leave there. Read people's stories, read how someone got an internship there, read how someone prepared for placements, read how someone changed their careers, or how they got into like IIMs, how they cracked cat, and it's something like that. Because exposure changes your thinking, and suddenly you discover opportunities you didn't even know existed, like MBA competitions, research, internship, remote opportunities, communities, courses, volunteer programs. There are so much of it. And then your mindset slowly changes from can I even do this to okay, maybe I can. That shift is what LinkedIn gives you, and that shift is powerful. And networking is important. Honestly, networking sounds like such a big word, but it's actually very simple. It's just talking to people respectfully and being honest to yourself. That's it. If someone's journey inspires you, just text them. Not for benefits immediately, not for asking referrals in the first message. Just genuinely ask them how they started and how they did it. Most people are actually nicer than you think. Everyone is not an asshole on the internet. Some won't reply, that's okay. But one good conversation, you can like genuinely change your direction. I've seen this happen. And personally, one mindset even helped me. That is, I will go first. I will text first. I will ask questions first. I will initiate the conversation first. Because most people are still just waiting, looking for opportunities, and waiting someone text them. Like, that is very bad. Waiting for perfect time is bad. Waiting to become good enough is very bad. But confidence doesn't come before action, right? It comes after you do something. And trust me, your first post will probably feel awkward and worse. Mine did too. You will overthink caption, you will check likes every 10 minutes, you'll wonder if people are judging you. Like, it doesn't matter at the end, because at your time, sometime you'll stop caring. And that's when growth actually starts, because consistency matters more than one perfect post. And please don't overcomplicate your profile also. You don't need smart like some photo shoot and all. Just put a clean picture, write what you're exploring, mention your interest honestly, and that's enough to begin. You can improve everything later, but first just start. Because 1 year from now, the students who started today will have connections, experience, confidence, clarity, and everything else. Maybe even opportunities. They would have cracked something, while others will be like thinking, yeah, मुझे भी LinkedIn स्टार्ट करना चाहिए था. That is very bad, right? Regret. That shouldn't happen. And I'm not saying LinkedIn alone will fix your life. Obviously not. You still need skills, you still need certifications, you still need your degree, you still need hard work, you still need patience. But LinkedIn gives you exposure, and that exposure changes people. It changes the way you think, the way you speak, the opportunities you have, like the opportunities you notice, and the people you meet. And sometimes one conversation from that one post or one connection that genuinely change your path. And that's why I genuinely feel that student should start early on LinkedIn, not when they feel ready, because honestly nobody feels ready from the beginning, right? Even if you study 10 hours a day, you will feel unprepared for your exam. That's the reality. So start early and try to be consistent and be honest, real and raw. That's it. If you like this video or if this video was helpful for you, make sure to subscribe this channel and like this video, and you can even hype the video if you like. Thank you.